Sometimes when we're using Meta AI, you used to give a long prompt, and sometimes you won't be interested in typing that long prompt. In that case, you can use voice typing on Meta AI. What this means is that you can just turn on the mic, and after that, you can say whatever you want, and that prompt will be recorded. And after that, when you're clicking on that send button, that prompt will be sent.
So you don't need to type anything. By just telling that prompt, you'll get those results. We're not talking about any live chat. We're talking about how to use voice typing. For this, open the Meta AI application. When you're opening it, you'll reach a new page like this. Here, you can see a mic-like button. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, if you haven't given any permissions, you'll be asked to give some permission. And after that, the recording will be started. Now you can say whatever you want. And if you feel anything is wrong, here you can see a cross button. Click on that, and this will be deleted. And if everything is okay, click on this send button. When you're clicking on that, that message will be sent, and you'll get an answer for that prompt.
And one thing is that in this prompt, if you want to make any changes, you can copy this prompt and paste it on a new page, and you can make the necessary changes from there. So this way you can easily use voice typing on Meta AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.